Good morning folks, this is Naeem Aslam. I'm back with an update on coronavirus and its influence on financial markets. I believe investors were enormously overall optimistic when it comes to the equity market, and this is why we've seen this massive surge during the previous sessions. Now, I certainly believe that the March 23rd low is a very important level, and given the fact that the S&P 500 broke above its 200-week moving average on a weekly chart was a very important factor. The reason that I am saying that investors were overly optimistic is because we are nowhere out of the woods when it comes to coronavirus. Why? Because the UK hasn't seen its peak, and we've talked about this, that it is going to be about another week or two when the UK is going to see its peak. And similar situation is also in the US as well. It reported higher number of new cases, large number of deaths. In fact, the most deadliest day with respect to coronavirus for the US and the UK happened yesterday. And that sort of a news really took the market down, because remember, the Dow Jones was trading well over 900 points at one point yesterday, but then right towards the close we gave up all those gains and we closed in negative territory. Why? Because investors started to pay attention to this particular fact that yes, the situation hasn't peaked in the UK and in the US, but at the same time it is important to pay attention to some key factors, which is that yes, the situation is a lot more better over in Europe, and especially in Italy, the epicenter of this particular disease. And as long as the situation remains controlled, and as long as the conversation remains on the table of ending the lockdown, that is a positive element for the markets overall. But by just thinking that okay, we are completely out of the woods and the situation is already peaked in the UK and in the US, and then let's begin just to start pushing the equity markets higher, which is what traders were doing it yesterday. I think that was just a little bit too much, and then this is why we are seeing this retracement in the equity markets over in the UK and especially in the European markets as well. That's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.